Hi dear students. Today we are going to discuss about respiration. What is respiration? A process in living organisms involving the production of energy, typically with the intake of oxygen and the release of carbon dioxide from the oxidation of complex organic substances. There are two main types of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic means with air. This type of respiration needs oxygen for it to occur, so it is called aerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic means without air, and means without. The photosynthesis process occurs in chlorophyll, while respiration takes place in the mitochondria. Any question?
How much energy is produced during aerobic and anaerobic respiration?
36 ATP molecules are produced as a result of aerobic respiration, while in anaerobic respiration only 2 ATP molecules are produced. It's okay, see you later.